37. Here are a set of spelling test scores out of 10 marks for a group of 55 students. So this is a line graph. From this line graph, I need to find the information to answer the questions down. Number 1, what was the model most common score? The most common score, that means the score which is the most of the students got. So here it's the maximum score here. The maximum score at this point at the top of this line. This line, this dot represents how many students here? It's in the middle between 10 and 12 students on the vertical line. 11 students. So this point represents the score, the common score between the students. 11 students got how many? I will go down. 7. So 7 is the most common score. 11 students got 7 marks. Okay. Number 2. How many students scored exactly half marks? Half marks means this score out of 10. So half 10 is 5. So I will go to 5 on the score axis, the horizontal one, and go up till intersect with this point at the vertical line is 6. So 6 students got 5 score. 6 students got 5 marks or 5 points. Okay. How many students score less than half mark? Less than half mark means less than 5. So I have 4 marks, I have 3 marks, and I have 2 marks. Now I need to find the number of students which got these marks. Okay, so I will go to 4 marks, go up till this point and move to the left. I have 4 students got 4 marks. And at 3, I will go up and to the left. I have 2 students got 3 marks. After this 2 marks, I will go up till this point and move to the left. This between 0 and 2, that means 1 student got 2 marks. I will add all of them. 4 students plus 2 students plus 1 student, so 7 students. 7 students have got less than half marks, less than 5. Okay. Number 4. How many students scored more than 8? It is 8. So more than 8 means 9 and 10. I will go to 9 on the score line. I will go up to find the number of students. Here, move to the left. So it's between 6 and 8. It's 7. 7 students got 9. What about 10? I will go to 10, move up and then to the left. In the middle between 4 and 6, that means 5. 5 students have got 10 marks. So 7 students plus 5 students is 12 students got more than 8 marks. Which spelling score did exactly 7 students get? 7 students. 7 students on the vertical line. I will go to number 7 on the vertical axis. Number 7 between 6 and 8. Okay, so this point represents 7. I will go to the right till intersect with the line graph. So this point represents how many scores? This is 9. So this point, if I move down like this, it's 9 marks. So 7 students got 9 marks. True or false? The range of the students' scores is 10 marks. The range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. The highest mark and the lowest mark. The highest mark is 10. What is the lowest one? Is 2. So why not 1, not 0? Because no students. Here 0 students got 0. 0 students got 1. So 0 and 1 not with us. So I will subtract 10 marks minus 2 marks, it's 8. 8. So the range is 8, not 10, so it's false. More than half the students scored 7 marks or above. More than half students. So there are 55 students in all, that's right? So more than half must be more than 27. Okay, so let us see. 7 marks or above. So I will go to 7 marks. I will see how many students got 7 marks. I have here 11 students. Okay. What about 8? I will go up. I have here 10 students. So 11 students and 10 students. Now 9. How many students? 7. And then 10 scores. How many students? 5 students. So I will add all of this to get the number of students who got 7 marks or above. If I add all this number of students, I will get 33 students. This is more than half. Yes, 33 students, more than half. So it's true. The students in the class are good at spelling for this age. I can tell this information. This information I don't have. They didn't give me if the students in the class are good at spelling or in this age or not. Okay. A fifth of the students scored 7 marks. Fifth of 55. 1/5 of 55 is 11. So I want to know if 11 students got 7 marks or not. So I will go to 7 marks and move up till this point. I will move to the left. So it's 11 students. Yes, it's true. 11 students have got 7 marks. Booklet page 38. Venn diagram. Put these 8 numbers in the correct places in these Venn diagrams. I have here 8 numbers up in this table. I want to put each number in the correct place in this Venn diagram. The first circle in Venn diagram represents greater than 2000. Greater than 2000. So any number greater than 2000, I will put it in this circle. The second one, the even number. The even number, any even number from the 8 numbers up, I need to put it here in this part. The intersection between these 2 circles represent the numbers greater than 2000 and even in the same time. Okay, the part outside, this rectangle outside, this is the number which is not greater than 2000 and not even. Okay, let's see the first number, 2305. 2305, is it greater than 2000? Yes. Is it even? No. So I will add this number in the circle greater than 2000. 1106. 1106. Is it greater than 2000? No. Is it an even number? Yes. So this number related to the circle even, this part. 790. Is it greater than 2000? No. Is it an even number? Yes. So I will add it in this circle. 2521. This number is greater than 2000, but it's not an even number, so it's related to this part. 1097. 1097. It's not greater than 2000, and it's not even also, so it's outside the circles. 1642. 1642. It's greater than 2000? No, it's not. Is it even? Yes, it's even number. 9025. 9025. 9025 is more than, greater than 2000. Okay. 3070 is greater than 2000. And it's even in the same time. So it will be in the middle. In the middle, it's greater than 2000 and even in the same time. Booklet page 39. Put the following shapes into the correct place in both these Venn diagrams. So I need to put these shapes in these three circles in Venn diagram. The first circle represents the shapes more than 4 sides. The second one represents the shapes which have right angles. The third one represents the shapes with reflective symmetry. Okay, let's see shape A. Shape A. Is this shape more than 4 sides? No, it's only 4 sides. So it's not related to the first circle. Does this shape have a right angle? No, no right angle here in this shape. So it doesn't relate to circle 2. The third circle down, does this shape have a line of symmetry, a reflective symmetry? Yes, it has a reflective symmetry. So I will add this shape in the third circle here down. Shape B, more than 4 sides? No. Has a right angle? Yes. Has reflective symmetry? No. So this shape related to the second one, so I will put it here, B. Shape C, more than 4 sides? Yes. Has right angle? Yes, it has here right angle and this right angle and all the angles inside right angles. So it has right angles. Has a reflective symmetry? Yes, this line is a reflective or symmetric line. Okay, so it's more than 4 sides, has right angles and has reflective symmetry, so it's in the middle of 3 of these circles here in this intersection. C. D, more than 4 sides? Yes. Has right angles? No. Has a reflective symmetry? Yes. So it's between these 2 circles, more than 4 sides and has reflective symmetry. E, it's more than 4 sides? Yes. It has a right angle? Yes, this one is a right angle. Reflective symmetry? No. So here in the intersection between these 2 circles up. The last one, F, more than 4 sides? No. It has a right angle? No. It has a reflective symmetry? Yes. So it's here in the circle down. Booklet page 40. Use a chart to answer each question. So I have this tally marks. I need to know the number of the tally marks and then answer this question. So better to count the tally marks and write the number beside to help me answer these questions easily. The first one, Monday, I have 5, 10, 14. Tuesday, have 10, 20, 24. Wednesday, 10, 20, 30, 35, 39. Thursday, 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. Friday, 10, 15, 16. Saturday, 10, 15. Sunday, 10, 20, 30, 35, 37. Now I have all the numbers, I can answer the questions. How many fewer bugs were caught on Saturday than were caught on Thursday? Okay, how many on Thursday? 42. How many on Saturday? 15. So I will subtract 42 minus 15 is 27. Can you answer the rest of the questions?